Counseling and Training Center ICTC District Health Society Kakchingna District AIDS Prevention Control Unit Amadi Max Kapuna Sinduna Kakching District ki Anishuba Link ATR Center Kakching Asidagi District Hospital Kakching da Haudokre Thoramadu da Additional Deputy Commissioner Kakching P Santikumar District Health Society Kakching ki District Mission Director Dr. TH Rajan District AIDS Control Officer Dr. Vijendrana Chingba na Saruk Yaki
Sidaler ma facility si ayam thobana uzik manage tobiri akoi sida tongan ba daksugi unit laite thobana pol odum baibiri akoi hujita lairi ba habu ICTC da Kakching disi hospital ga sugunuwa sida state alone gi ICTC ani lai aduga facility manga tarukta F ICTC lai aduga jiban hospital dana jiban hospital da su F ICTC amalai akoi gi sugunu da link ARD amadilai adubu Kakching gi ayam sarukta di Leitabana Maramoduna Topandagi Salaga, Natragan Padi Salaga, Yati, Lona Bangatani,
Sotava, what Palui Labani, and the Masita Natamako, Matamsan Shangalakadini, the Sigi, Swan Shangalaki part, more than a sea, ART Link Center, Kakaching the Hamasi, as always, the Menamani and Logi, the hand of the Mayam Takuba Community. Aduga makata na pagi CMO na lusing jale biru tim mayam na hen hona biraga ko pagi district administration site ki su angam mateng bijage